God, I can't wait till he's run his mouth again. This will be fucking hilarious if he just goes.
Got an air leak. Oh no, hear that? Just lost the locker, people.
Mind you, people, I went through this in our lockers. The good old 80. See, that's Toyota for you there, people. Fucking show off is what he is. Alright, so the Australia Day long weekend is nearly over. Nearly. So it's been raining all day, all last night. So we thought we'd take the 80 out and go and play in the mud. So, what do you reckon? That should be fun, eh? Yeah. For those of you who haven't met her, the little co-pilot is Kaylee Bear. She's my daughter. She's cute as.
minute, 37 seconds later.
Alright, so we're about 2 minutes in, I think, and shit got real quick. Man, we have had a solid weekend of rain, and as you can see, we are momentarily unmobile. No, I'll get myself out of this, you motherfucker. No, it is way too early to be needing help. Oh well, I can winch off one of those trees, I'll be right. Usually there's a bit of a competition between us two of not asking for help, but in this situation we are bogged. So we'll just try and get a little bit of a winch out here. Piece of cake, guys, nothing to it, eh? Oh, thanks for your help, mate.
Smell that clutch, mate?
Oh yeah, that smells good.
I think a new clutch might be on order.
Oh yeah.
After today we might be CV's anchor.
Yeah, why not, eh? You know,
the list just keeps getting bigger and bigger.
Here comes another cruiser now.
street crossing. What are we gonna do here? We better go and have a look at this one. I think it's a lot of water. Did you drive that? Alright. Well, this is a shitload of water. But fuck it, we might just have a go. Yeah, that's the spirit. We'll have a go. Missed it. Fucking missed it. What do you reckon? Is that good fun? Alright, let's go. Alright, we found a new friend, old mate in the Cruiser Ute. They're going to take along with us and see what sort of shit we can get into. So, here we go! That was pretty fun. That one there looks pretty deep. You game? What's the worst that could happen?
God, I can't wait till he's run his mouth again. This will be fucking hilarious if he just goes.
Got an air leak. Oh no, hear that? Just lost a locker, people.
Mind you, people, I went through this in our lockers. The good old 80. See, that's Toyota for you there, people. Fucking show off is what he is. What else would you want to do on a Sunday? Oh, it's actually Monday. Long weekend. That's right. Oh, fuck. Happy Australia Day. Flying the flag. Got some rods out. Crab pot over there. Another crab pot over there. Down with the bam bam. Now that's living, Barry. Ready to cook the barbie. Uncle Trent's firing it up, getting the snags ready. There you go, mate.
Great, mate, great. Just getting there. Gourmet bit of lunch here.
Absolutely. Here we go, there's fantastic view of rain scud coming in to wet our asses again, but we got a few lines out. We don't give a shit. Now we better put it in 4-wheel drive. Go baby, go!
One pair of pants later.
Alright, well this sucks. Uncle Trent's having to pull the winch rope out because I've seen the little tucker up there on a 4-wheeler and I couldn't get a run up to get up this shit. So, oh well. Not the best time to get an air leak, so my diff locks don't work, but lucky we got a winch, eh? Yep, we're gonna have to winch up this one. We gotta use the winch to pull ourselves up. Show you, we'll just press the button. That one. Low range first gear. Away we go. Have a go at that shit. That is some serious mud, boys and girls. We're nearly out here. It's just too slippery to get any traction. But we'll just chuck the strap around that other tree and have another go. Track, little one. Oh dear. Have a go at that. That is some slippery shit, boys and girls. Fucking hell, man. These are 35-inch mud terrains, guys. Have a go at this. What the fuck?
Well, it's coming out, it was looking like it was just tracks, not tyres.
Yeah. Man, that looks crazy. Are you going to try and get up that?
Yeah.
We're just going to go steady. Got an air leak somewhere, so I've got no lockers. That sucks.
a little bit of a different video, shows you what we got up to on the Australia Day long weekend. So yeah, a bit of mudding, bit of fishing, bit of barbecuing, and a bit of swimming in the creek. So yeah, pretty tough to beat in my books, but alright, wherever you are, have a good day, make sure you have a beer. I'll catch you later, eh? See ya!